Today I am presenting you the third video of medical education, and as you can see we will discuss integration ladder in detail. Yesterday in a spices model we also discussed integration a little bit, but here we will discuss it in detail. Now look at these boxes. These are the disciplines, specialities, departments, and they are away from each other. There is no integration and each department is busy in its own activities, in its own teaching. Now that's the first step of ladder and called isolation. Now look at the second step. Subjects are joined with dotted lines. Still there is no integration, but teachers of these disciplines which are joined with the dotted lines, they are aware of what is covered in the other department, other subjects, but no active attempt is made to meet with the other faculty members and integrate. Now that is the step of awareness. So the first two steps are having no integration, and now we are drawing the third step. Let's climb the third step of integration ladder, which is harmonization. Now the departments are joined together with solid line, means more integration is present. Now the faculty of each subject communicate with each other about their course and adapt their content accordingly. Now let's climb to the fourth step of the integration ladder, which is called nesting. Now nesting means teachers target content from other courses within their own course. Its example is that within each subject teacher target multiple items: a social skill, a thinking skill, and a content item. Example is while teaching a content topic diarrhea, the diagnostic reasoning is done and taught to the students to impart the thinking skill in students, and cultural poverty is also discussed, which is a social skill. Now step 5 is similar content is covered in parallel across courses. Now that is called temporal coordination. Sixth step is sharing or joint teaching. It is done when there is a common area of interest of different disciplines and joint attempt is made to teach it. Sharing is also done to include new content in the curriculum. So these are the steps of more and more high order integration. Now step 7 is correlation. An integrated teaching session is introduced in addition to subject based teaching. Isolated small box is integrated content and multiple boxes joined represent different subjects. So here the level of integration is also small. Now step 8 is complementary programming. It is the most advanced stage of cooperative integration. Large box represents large share of integrated course. Now its example is that several disciplines can contribute to a topic of similar interest like climate change of lecture theatres or auditorium. Then comes the higher integration steps, also called collaborative integration. Step 9 is multidisciplinary. Its example is the inflammation theme. Now, to inflammation is a very vast topic, and several disciplines like pathology, ENT, ophthalmology, gynae, they all can contribute, and even all basic departments, and they integrate but still maintain their own identity and understanding of the problem. Now, step 10 is interdisciplinary integration. Now, there's the more advanced stage of integration. Discipline boundaries overlap and merge. Themes and topics are more important than individual subjects. Subjects begin to lose their identity. Now, step 11 is transdisciplinary. It is also called learner-centered or student-centered. Curriculum enables the learner to construct the meaning from the integrated learning experience. Individual disciplines are no more present. Examples are the courses of like basic life support, advanced cardiac life support for health professionals. So at the end, if we summarize the integration ladder, the first two steps, isolation and awareness, have got no integration. Then the next three steps, harmonization, nesting and temporal coordination, have got early integration. Then the next three steps, sharing, correlation and complementary programs, they have got cooperative integration. And then the last three, multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary and transdisciplinary approaches, have got collaborative and higher integration. So after watching this video, I hope the integration ladder will be clear to you, and you will also observe your own college, your own curriculum, that where it stands and where it should go. Thank you very much.